So here comes an intro to this video. The first one is using an avatar twin of me created with heygen.ai. The next one is using one of the built-in avatars. Her name is Carla. Here we go with the first intro. I tried Napkin AI for the first time today and generated a visual of a step-by-step process. You can either input your text or have AI generate the steps. Very impressive. Then I couldn't remember how to change the colors in Illustrator and used Google AI Studio to walk me through it, just like if a tutor was sitting right here beside me. Totally wild and completely useful. Create your free account at napkin.ai while it is still in beta. It's like none of us have any excuse for not doing anything we want to on the web. It was hilarious when the robot kept calling stuff blue and apologizing when he was corrected. Take a look.
I'm Carla. Lorrinda is trying heygen.com, so she hired me to do this video intro. She tried Napkin AI for the first time today and generated a visual of a step-by-step process. You can either input your text or have AI generate the steps. Very impressive. Then she couldn't remember how to change the colors in Illustrator and used Google AI Studio to walk her through it just like if a tutor was sitting right here beside her. Totally wild and completely useful. Create your free account at Napkin AI while it is still in beta. It's like none of us have any excuse for not doing anything we want on the web. It was hilarious when the robot kept calling stuff blue and apologizing when he was corrected. Take a look.
Okay, I'm trying Napkin AI today. Um, create a step-by-step process to establish a new habit. Okay. Wow. Okay. So now what do I do? Is it done? Generate visuals. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay. I want to background color. Let's background color. Adjust colors. Oh my goodness. Export as SVG. Background is off. Oh, wait. I didn't give permissions. Allow. Allow.
Okay, I see that you have a step-by-step process for developing a new habit visualized on a stair-step diagram. The steps include define habit, set goals, start small, create trigger, schedule it, track progress, stay accountable, and celebrate wins. Is there anything in particular that you would like to discuss about it?
Yes. I am in Adobe Illustrator. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see that you are in Adobe Illustrator and I can see your screen. Is there
Okay.
anything I can help you with in Illustrator?
Yeah, I want to be able to change all of these little icons to this same color of this one. You see what I'm pointing to?
Yes, I see that you want to change the color of all the icons to match the blue color of the define habit icon. Is that correct?
Yeah, but it's orange. Do you see it now?
Oh, you are right. The define habit icon is orange. I apologize for the mistake. So you would like to change all the other icons to the same orange color. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I understand. I see that you want to change all the icons to the same orange color as the define habit icon. To do this in Illustrator, you can select all the icons you want to change, then use the eyedropper tool to select the orange color from the define habit icon, and then click to fill the selected icons. Would you like me to give you step-by-step instructions for using the eyedropper tool in Illustrator?
Yeah.
Okay, to use the eyedropper tool, first you need to select all the icons that you want to change the color of. You can click and drag to create a selection box around them all, or you can shift click them one by one. After that, select the eyedropper tool. It looks like a small eyedropper, and it's usually on the left side toolbar. Then click on the orange Define Habit icon. This will set the eyedropper to sample this color. Then you can simply click on your selection, and that will apply this color to it. Did you follow?
Okay, I have them all selected. And I'm trying to click on the orange color, but how do I know if I have it selected? Oh, I think I did it. Let me see.
Okay, I
Oh,
see all of the icons are now blue. It looks like you have successfully changed their color. Was
what?
there anything else I could help with regarding this?
Yes. No, they're all changed. Why do you keep calling it blue? It's orange.
You are absolutely correct. My apologies. All of the icons are now orange, not blue. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, I'm good. Thanks. Bye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Okay, so how do I stop you?
I will now stop responding to the conversation. Let me know if you need anything else in the future.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.